Hey everybody, welcome to Let's Do a Thing, and today we're going to be doing a quick chicken Alfredo through our new budget-friendly meals. This is going to be something I'm going to do every Monday. It's going to be a quick video about budget-friendly meals. 4 portions for less than $15. I don't know what else you could want for it. Let's get set up and we'll get going. Okay, so we've got all of our ingredients here in front of us. It's this very simple recipe, very straightforward. These are chicken thighs because they are very budget friendly. We've got some basic dry fettuccine pasta. We've got a head of garlic, which was about 50 cents. We've got actually Parmesan, which, you know, not the stuff you get in the store in a little plastic container. And we also have some heavy cream. Very basic recipe. We're gonna go ahead and start with our chicken and get them in the skillet here. I'm not including things like salt, pepper, oil or butter. I can if you'd like. You let me know in the comments below. If you want me to, I'll do that. Okay, so we've got our skillet preheating here. I've got about a tablespoon of butter here and about a tablespoon and a half of oil here. This is extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so we've got our chicken breast here. We're gonna lightly salt the top of these bad boys. These are skin on, bone in chicken breast because those are the cheapest. Butter and everything's melted. We're gonna go ahead and get these into our pan, skin side down. So lower our temp down a little bit and let those cook for a minute. I'm also gonna cover these bad boys up, let that heat really penetrate. No, I don't have the right size lid. Make do with what you got. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 4 minutes on this side. We're gonna go ahead and take the lid off and flip these. Sorry if it's loud. Look at that color though. Beautiful. Cover that back up. Okay, so our chicken's been cooking about 6 minutes on the first side, skin side down, mind you, and then roughly about 16 to 18 minutes on the second side. Again, everybody's is gonna be different. Make sure to use your thermometer. That's what's really important, to get it up to temp. I'm gonna toss these over on the skin side again, make sure they get crispy real quick. What a beautiful color. My goodness. Look at this. Look at this beautiful color. Dang. Hard to want more than that. Okay, so we've got our chicken breast over here, just taking a rest for a little bit while we prepare the rest of this. We're gonna drain off a little bit of this fat. This was particularly fatty chicken. We don't need all of this rendered fat. We're gonna pour, a decent amount off. We don't need near that much. So we probably left about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna put, what we have is about 3 large cloves of garlic that we've minced up right here. So we're gonna add this in here and we're gonna cook this off for about a minute. And then we're gonna add some heavy cream and everything else, but you'll see that. Okay, so we're gonna toast off this garlic. We don't want it to burn. We just need a little bit. All right, fragrant, very fragrant in here. We're gonna take our heavy cream and we're gonna add all of this. This is 2 cups of heavy cream. Now you may think, my God, that's a lot of heavy cream, but you also have to think this is for 4 people and a lot of pasta and all of these chicken breasts. So yeah, we're gonna need all that. Unless you want bland Alfredo, which, I mean, well, I won't name any chain restaurants, but go to a chain restaurant if you want that nonsense. I've got 7 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese here as well. We're gonna add most of this cheese. I'm gonna save a little bit for garnishing, but I'm gonna add about 5 to 6 ounces in here. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and set it aside. Okay, so our pasta's going. Our sauce is cooling off just a hair. We're gonna get these bones out of this chicken, all right? Open these bad boys up. This should be really fork tender. Oh my goodness, so juicy too. And this big bone in here should just pop right out. Okay, so we've got our pasta with our pasta water. We've got our chicken that's been cut up and we have our sauce. Now, we're just gonna straight pull this out with some tongs. We're gonna leave a decent amount of water in there and not worry about it. We're gonna leave that pasta water that's on the noodles too. We're not gonna drain it off. We're gonna mix it all together. It's gonna make us a nice loose sauce. That's perfect. Yes. Already a phenomenal dish, aside from the chicken on its own. We're gonna take this, just go right over the top. All right, I'm gonna top mine with just a little bit more of the cheese. Just a little to cover the chicken. This is gonna be plenty cheesy. We really don't need much more. And I'm also gonna finish it with a little bit of parsley, dried parsley. If you have it, great, use it. If you don't, it's not a big deal. This is honestly just for color. And there you have it, folks. This is a super simple dish, chicken Alfredo, for less than $15 for 4 people. And this is a hefty serving for 4 people. So give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, comment. That makes a big difference to me and to the rest of all of us. I would like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. It makes the world of difference to my channel. Thank you, thank you. You truly are the best people, and I can't say that more emphatically. So, until next time, go do a thing.